Have you ever wondered how to propagate your own strawberry plants? Welcome to the intriguing world of propagation, a method used by gardeners globally to increase their plant yield, save money, and ensure genetic diversity. In the context of strawberries, propagation is particularly beneficial. Strawberries are a garden favorite, and being able to propagate your own can mean a more abundant harvest year after year. Not only does this save you money on buying new plants, but it also allows you to cultivate a crop that's genetically diverse, which can lead to more robust and resilient plants. Propagation isn't a one-size-fits-all method though. There are several ways to propagate plants and each has its own set of advantages. For strawberry plants, we'll focus on three primary methods: growing from seeds, dividing plants, and propagating from runners. Now that we understand why propagation is beneficial, let's delve into the various methods. There are three main methods of propagation: growing from seeds, dividing plants, and propagating from runners. Let's take a quick look at each. Growing strawberries from seeds can be a fun challenge, but it requires patience as it takes longer for the plants to mature. On the other hand, dividing plants involves splitting mature strawberry plants into multiple sections, each with its roots. This method is quick but may stress the mother plant. Now let's move on to our star method, propagating from runners. Strawberry plants naturally produce these long, vine-like offshoots, also known as runners. Each runner can create a new plant, making this method a quick and cost-effective way to increase your strawberry patch. It's the perfect blend of the other two methods. It's speedy, like dividing plants, and gentle on the mother plant, like growing from seeds. Among these methods, propagating from runners is the easiest and most effective. So how does it work? Runners are long, slender stems that grow out from the base of the strawberry plant. These are not mere appendages, but are the strawberry plant's natural way of propagating. Let's dive into the process of how you can use these runners to grow your own strawberry patch. First things first, identifying healthy runners is key. Look for runners that have already developed some roots. These roots usually appear at nodes along the runner, resembling tiny white tendrils reaching out for soil. Once you've identified the right runners, it's time to prepare your planting area. Whether you're using pots or a prepared garden bed, make sure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging. Now let's get those runners planted. Carefully place the runner into the soil, ensuring that the crown, which is the part of the plant where the stem meets the roots, is above soil level. This prevents the crown from rotting, a common issue faced by many gardeners. Next step is watering. Provide adequate moisture, but remember, strawberries are not fans of waterlogged soil. So keep the soil moist, not drenched. Lastly, ensure your planted runners get plenty of sunlight. Monitor their growth closely. Once you see the roots are well established and the plant has started to grow, that's your cue. Once the roots are established, you can transplant your new strawberry plants wherever you want them. Voila! You're now a step closer to becoming a strawberry propagation pro. While the process is straightforward, there are a few tips to ensure your propagation is a success. One of the most crucial factors to consider is maintaining optimal conditions for your young strawberry plants. This involves ensuring consistent moisture levels without overwatering. Remember, strawberries love hydration, but they don't enjoy swimming. So keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Next, it's important to protect your young plants from pests and diseases. Keep a close eye on your plants and intervene at the first sign of trouble. Using natural pest deterrents can help keep those pesky bugs at bay without harming your plants or the environment. Lastly, consider using organic fertilizers for optimal growth. They not only nourish your plants but also improve soil structure and encourage beneficial microorganisms. A healthy soil equals a healthy plant, and that's what we're aiming for. With these pro tips, you're well on your way to expanding your strawberry patch successfully. And there you have it, a simple guide to propagating strawberry plants. We've covered the basics of why propagation is beneficial, the different types, and specifically, how to propagate from runners. We've also shared pro tips to maintain optimal conditions for your young plants. So put this knowledge into action and watch your strawberry patch flourish. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to propagate strawberry plants like a seasoned gardener. Stay tuned for more gardening hacks and don't forget to subscribe for future tips and tricks.